Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Okeke, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new here, you're welcome. Thank you for always coming back, just as I came back right now. Right. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this braided, crochet banded wig. Yeah. So as you guys can see, it's banded. This is a hair tie that I tied around it, and this is a crochet that I did. I look so lovely on it, and if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching to the end, and make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I was looking for headband, but I wasn't able to find the plain one. I was able to get the black and the brown one, but they're not plain. But anyway, we can as well use it. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this band onto my wig cap, so it's round, so that it's going to be tight on it. So after I sew it round, I cut off the thread and then try it on my head to know if it fits well, because as I'm looking at it, it looks like sometimes it needs to be very tight. And then, though I have a small head, so please, before you use it, or you have to first of all try your head size so that it doesn't become very tight and uncomfortable on your head. So after trying this, I'm going to put it on the wig stand and start off my crocheting. So I'm going to be using Darling Bouncy Curl. That's the name of the extension, Darling, from Darling, and it's Bouncy Curl. This is really lovely. I like this product, or this item, because it feels very soft, even though it's not hair. And I didn't even know it had a mixture of colors. You can see it has purple and black. I didn't check the number of the color, but it has purple and black. And for me to start crocheting, I have to lose the twist, and then so from the video you can see that I divide it. I take it section by section, little by little, and then I crochet it. And yeah, this is my first time of crocheting, so I really didn't know how to use the pin. I watched it on YouTube and I felt like I learned it, but for some reason it wasn't what I learned. So yeah, I know it didn't show that part when I was trying to figure it out, but yeah, it was my first time I was using the crochet, and it's not that hard. It's very easy. This is it after the first bundle. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead. This is the last part of the first bundle, so I'm going to start using the second one. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like the first bundle. Yeah. So guys, this is what the finishing look looks like. This is me trying to fix up the front part to make it look fuller. So yeah, yep, that is what the finishing look looks like. So yeah guys, I'm done. I think I'm done. Oh my god, look at the hair, like look at it. So this is the time where I start to trim it, make it look smoother, equal, not so equal, but you know, trying to trim so that the down part is well trimmed. I'm going to use up the camera later so you can see what it looks like. So for the finishing, I'm going to use a hair mousse on it to make it coilier than it is, and this is me applying the hair mousse. Well, can we just take a little 1 minute to appreciate the beautiful skin that you're looking at? Oh my god, like this skin is beautiful. For a while I felt like my skin wasn't I wasn't in good terms with my skin, but man, after seeing this video I believe I'm not good terms with my skin. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It wasn't a bad idea after all. I mean, like, ooh, look at me, look at me, look at me. I look janded. Like, I mean, I've always known that I've had a thing for curly hairs. I've always, oh my god, can this just allow me to record? This is what happens when you're recording in the school area though. So guys, this is the video, this is the finished look. Hope you love this video. I can't really use the sound because it's noisy, but don't forget to subscribe, like and share.